Good morning, all the student of class 2. Welcome to your math class, student. So open the page number 197. Today we will do the fill in the blanks part of your composite book, okay? And the chapter is time, as we all know. On my previous video I have discussed about the seasons, 6 seasons, and today we will do the questions answer part, okay? So the first question, the season of dash starts in the month of November. So in your book on the page number 195 you can see that they have provided you a circle of seasons and which months are included in which season. They also told mention over there. So if you see the page, you can see that November and December's the month of Hemanta. So Hemanta season starts with November. So Hemanta, Hemanta. Then after that, number 2 is dash comes between Sharoda and Shishira. So between these two seasons, Sharoda and Shishira, which season comes? It's Hemanta. Not Hemanta. Hemanta. Okay. Now the third number question. The season of dash comes after Grishma. So as we all know that after summer is the time for the rains. So after Grishma the season comes, it is Varsha. 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 Number 4, the season of dash comes before Bashanta. So before Bashanta, which season comes? So we can see that before Bashanta, it's Shishira. So we will write down here number 4, Shishira. Shishira. Number 5, Sharoda comes between dash and Hemanto. So Sharoda comes between Varsha. 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 Okay, and Hemanta. Number 6, in April and in March and April. In March and April, it is Bashanta season. Vasanta. Okay. Number 7, the season of Barsha ends in the month of August. August. Okay. Number 8, the season of dash comes after Hemant. So you know student that if the season starts from Sisira, then Sisira, Basanta, Grishma, Barsha, Sharoda, Hemanta. 6 season completed. Then after that, after Hemanta, once again it's come Sisira. Okay. So we will write down here number 8, Sisira. The season of Shishira comes after Hemanta. Number 9, we like to bath in cold water during the season of Grishma, isn't it? Because we love to take shower at the time of summer. Grishma. Grishma. The number 10. Umbrellas are used very often in the season. So nowadays we used umbrella at the time of rainy season or also in the time of summer, isn't it? So we will write down here Barsha. I am here writing Barsha. If you want, you can write down also Grishma. Okay. 11. In September and October, it is Sharoda. Shrada. Sharoda. Number 12, the season of Shishira ends in the month of February, because feast days start from January. F-E-B, Feb, R-U-A-R-Y, February. Okay, student, with this we completed our chapter time, isn't it? I hope that you understand all the questions answer. That's all for today. Thank you.